Hello guys, welcome to our today's episode. In today's class, I'll be teaching you guys how to choose the right asset or product when it comes to trading. You know, a lot of people have issues selecting the right coin to trade. For example, I'm a businessman and I want to start a business. I'll be thinking, what do I want to buy and sell? Should I buy solar panel and sell solar panel? Should I go into solar panel business? Or should I go into manufacturing business? Or should I go into selling building materials? You know, this is one of the big questions people ask often. What kind of business exactly should I go into? The same question is here when it comes to crypto trading. I told you crypto trading is also a business. Once you hear the word trading, it tells you what? Business. Now in crypto trading, in crypto business, what kind of product should I trade? That is the exact question I'm asking here. What kind of product should I trade? Should I trade Bitcoin? Or should I trade Ethereum? Or should I trade Solana? Or should I trade XRP? Or should I trade 1000 Bonk? There are a lot of crypto coins out there, a lot. The same pattern, the same way we also have a lot of businesses to do out there. Whether furniture business, provision business, banking business, you know, any kind of, as we have them so much out there, that is the same way we have them so much in the trading and crypto space. You get the point. So the problem we're having now is a lot of people have issues choosing the right business to do. They are confused. So in today's class, I will teach you guys how to choose the right asset to trade. Now follow me. If this is for you, please follow me. I want you to relax your mind and make sure you ask questions, please. If you don't understand, always ask questions. Put it in the comment section. I will look at the comment section and I will respond to you. Okay? Ask question where you don't understand. I will simply come back. We are growing in the financial system together, guys. So let's proceed. Now, in the crypto space, this is what in the crypto space. All right. We want to look at how to choose the right asset. Now, for you to choose the right asset when it comes to trading, you look at these are the things you want to look at. Number one, liquidity. Liquidity means money. You want to know how many people, am I the only one buying these goods? I want to buy Bitcoin. Am I the only one buying Bitcoin? How many people are buying Bitcoin? When you know how many people are buying Bitcoin, it simply tells you that the liquidity is high. It is highly liquidated asset. Okay? Meaning that maybe, let's say 20 billion people are trading Bitcoin. Now you cannot choose a coin where 20 billion people are buying and selling, and then you're comparing it with a coin where only 10 people are the buyers and the sellers. Does it make sense? You see what I'm talking about? So for you to select the coin, for you to go into that business, you want to look at how many people are into this business. How many people are buying this product? How many people are selling this product? Now, when we have gathered information that we have 20 billion people buying and selling Bitcoin, then the next step, we now know that the asset is what? Is liquid. That is the first thing. After we've gotten that answer to that question, the next thing is to divide the buyers and divide the sellers. how many people are buying the assets and how many people are selling? Out of these 20 billion people that is trading Bitcoin, how many people are buying and how many people are selling? Now you want to look at an asset where at least the people selling are very low, they are not so much, but there are a lot of what buyers. You understand this? You get my point. You want to look at assets where people selling that asset are just few, but there are a lot of what buyers. That kind of market is usually what favorable. Okay, it is usually what favorable. And when it comes to crypto, it's not like normal business where you can want to do evaluation. You understand? When I mean evaluation, maybe you have a questionnaire, you want to do findings, you want to understand how many people are buying this asset and how many people are selling this asset. Okay, now since we cannot do that because this is not a physical business, what you need to do is to what? Go to the what? Daily time frame. Daily time frame. That is why in trading we first of all go to daily time frame to find the buyers if we are bullish or if the market is bearish. Once you know that in the daily time frame the market is bullish, it simply tells us that there will be a lot of good buyers in this market. In fact, when we see that the daily time frame it is bullish, then it tells us that it will favor what? Buyers. This market that have 20 billion people buying and selling, you have to what? Be among the buyers, stay among the buyers to gain favor. Stay among the buyers to gain favor. That is why you must identify what? Your buyers. It is very, very important first before proceed to what? Buying or selling. So when I've known that my bias is bullish, when I'm going into that market, I'm going there as a buyer. I'm not going there as a seller. I'm going there as a buyer. So when you go there as a buyer in the 4-hour time frame, you're buying from where? Every demand zone or every bullish order block. As an SMC trader, you're buying from what? Every bullish what? Order block. You wait patiently. When price comes to your buying order block, you look for what? Confirmation, liquidity sweep, change of character, break of structure, inducement, fair value gap. You take your buys. That is that. It's not like other physical business where you need to send quotation, you have to carry out a research, hypothesis, questionnaire. You want to understand how many, and yet it will be difficult. You cannot be able to gather how much people. But when it comes to crypto space, you see that this information alone is as easy as possible, and then you are not concentrated on what you are doing, if you're buying in that market or if you're selling. So I said the first thing you do when choosing your product is to look at how liquid the product is. You want to know how many people that is trading it. So when you see a coin that has more people buying and selling, you should be attracted to that coin. It tells you that there's liquidity in that product. So that product is what you should be attracted to. Okay, it should attract you because more people are buying it and more people are selling it. That is where your mind should go to. And then when you go there, the second question you ask yourself, out of the 20 billion people buying and selling, how many people are buying and how many people are selling? You want to know if the sellers are fewer and people that are buying are much more. Then you want to do what? You want to what? Be a seller. You want to sell to those people that are what? Buying. I don't know if you understand. This is in the physical business construction. You see that there are a lot of buyers in this market. People are coming to buy this product. People are always asking, I want to buy this, 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 I want to buy this. Should you also go and be joining them to say, I want to buy this, I want to buy, I want to buy this? You should go as a solution giver. You should go as, here is the product, I have it, buy from me. You'll be selling and you'll be making money. That is in the physical area. But when it comes to trading, For us to get that information, to know who is leading the market, you go to the daily time frame to see your structure. If your structure tells you bullish, it means that if you're buying in that market, it will favor you. This is different from the other way around. If you're buying in this market, it will favor you. So just concentrate in what? Buying. That is it. But in the physical market, you want to look at it. How many people are buying, how many people are selling? And they tell you that out of 20 billion people, we have more than 15 billion people wanting to buy a product. You should be among the people that want to deliver that product to them so that you make money. This is common thinking. So that is how to choose what the right asset for you. Then some persons are asking a lot of questions. They were like saying, is it okay I trade only one product? Maybe just look for the product that is most liquidated and I'm trading it. Or is it okay I trade more, I buy and sell more products? The ball is on your court. If you can be able to manage the stress, your risk management, you put them in check, you can be able to do whatever you want to do. But I think what is more consistent, the best approach for this, so that you don't waste all your time looking at one asset, you can get at least 3. When I mean three assets, you can be looking at 3 assets that is highly liquidated. Like in the crypto space, we have Bitcoin number 1, BTC, we have Ethereum, and Solana. You know, these 3, I choose them because they are highly liquidated and a lot of people trade them. So on daily basis, if I don't see any setup here yet, I might see here. If I don't see here, I might see here. But in cases where I see 3 setup, I take the 3 because that 3 setup matches with my risk management and risk tolerance. I'm only allowed to take only 3 positions running. Only 3 positions running on my broker, on my exchange. So that is why I'm trading with just 3 pairs. So in a day where I see the 3 setup, I take the 3 setup. In a day where I see only 2 setup, I take 2 setup. In a day where I see only 1 setup, I take 1 setup. In a day where I see no setup, I don't trade. So this is how I channel it to. Your risk management must tell you how many coins you should be exposed to, how many coins should you be trading. Your risk management will bring that idea to you and tell you that do not trade more than this, do not do this, do not do this. There are some persons that what they want to see in their position, they want to see at least 5 positions running. And these 5 positions could be what? Maybe not more than 20% of the capital. You understand? So it is your risk management that tells you how many assets you want to be trading or not. It's not about nobody's business. So, but this is the way I've taken my part, and I've told myself I want to trade only 3 assets because I want to have only 3 positions entirely running in my exchange. Should not be more than 3. 3 below is okay. Should not be more than 3. So that's why I said to choose 3 products to trade. So you can also follow the same, and every day you go there and look for setup. If you do not see any setup, you close the laptop and you go your way. Any day you see setup, you take your trade with your alert. You can create an alert line. So when price comes to your point of interest, you get an alert that price has come to a point of interest. You go there and you check. You take trade. So that is how to choose the right product to trade. So if you have followed me up to this time and you enjoy my teachings, please do well to subscribe and on notification bell so that whenever I post my content like this, you will learn from it and you will get notified. Alright, so that is that for today. Any question, please do it to put it in the comment section and I will always respond to all your questions. Thank you very much and I love you.